Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera. Here you have to go here in camera settings, and here you can find this timers option. You can set it on 2 seconds, on 5 seconds, or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 2 seconds and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.